The elephant rope. Once a gentleman was walking through an elephant camp and he spotted that the elephants weren't being kept in cages or held by the use of chains. All that was holding them back from escaping the camp was a small piece of rope tied to one of their legs. As the man gazed upon the elephant, he was completely confused and thought, why the elephant didn't just use the strength to break the rope and escape the camp? He could easily have done so, but instead he didn't try to at all. Curious and wanting to know the answer, he asked a trainer nearby why the elephant was just standing there and never tried to escape. The trainer replied, when he was very young and much smaller, we used the same size rope to tie him, and at that age, it's enough to hold it. As he grew up, he is conditioned to believe he cannot break away. He believes the rope can still hold him, so he never tried to break free. Moral of the story. No matter how much the world tries to hold you back, always continue with the belief that what you want to achieve is possible. Believing you can become successful is the most important step in actually achieving it.